And now for our one balloon cat, I've taken a yellow 260, inflated it all but about 4 inches of the tail. Twist about a little, 3.5 inch bubble, about a 1/2 inch bubble. Make this into an ear twist, and then position it up like that. About a 1.5 inch bubble. Now we're going to make what's referred to as a basic bear head. Twist about 1.5 inch to maybe 1 3/4 inch bubble there. Little 1/2 inch bubble, which will make into an ear twist. About 1.5 inch bubble there. And I usually make this one slightly shorter than these ones on this side. These will be the cheeks. This is the top of the forehead and an ear. Now we'll come down the other side, make another 1/2 inch bubble for our other ear. And then another bubble the same size as that one. Twist that all together. And that's a basic bear head. Then we're going to turn this and take this part, tuck it through the head, about halfway. And then come back here and don't just grab the nozzle, make sure that you grab the knot. And you want to twist the knot around the base of that head to secure it, and then tuck it up inside the back there, out of the way, so that we now have our head. There we go. Now we're going to make about a 3/4 inch bubble for our neck, 1.5 inch bubble, followed by another 1.5 inch bubble. Those two will now become our front legs. We'll twist them together. About a 2 inch bubble for our body. 2 more 1.5 inch bubbles, just like our front ones for our legs. We'll twist those all together. Position them like that. Shape the tail however you like. Sharpie. And we have a nice little one balloon cat.